y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are reviewing the Curlsmith hair makeup and we are doing the shade turquoise. Blue is my favorite color, also gold, but I didn't really want to do their gold color. But yeah, so I really don't have too much to say. I'm just gonna jump straight into this video because I am obsessing over my blue curls. I feel like a little baby Smurf, a cute Smurf. I'm Smurfette. But yeah, I will see you guys in the video. My channel. In this video we are doing a hair tutorial. As you can tell, my hair looks crazy. I am in the mood to color my hair, but I don't want to do anything that's going to ruin it. So we are going to try the Curlsmith hair makeup. I said it like I can't read. We're going to try, oh my gosh, my lashes keep getting stuck together. Okay, we are going to try Curlsmith hair makeup in the shade turquoise. Blue is my favorite color. Blue and gold are my two favorite colors. So I was like, let's try blue. My hair is super dark, so I'm not sure if this is going to take, but this is why we are reviewing it. I just washed my hair, so you can tell that it's super dry now. So I'm going to dampen it. And then I'm going to do my everyday routine real quick for you guys. And then once I'm done doing that part, I'm going to come back in and go ahead and apply this with you guys. So I will be right back when it is time for us to use this bad boy. Okay, so I just did my wash and go routine. I didn't use Curlsmith products, so I don't need to show you guys that. But we are about to go ahead and add the hair makeup now. So I'm just going to section my hair off, and I believe that you want to do this when your hair is still like damp. Well, I guess we can read the directions. I'm just gonna section my hair off real quick, and then I'm gonna do it in 4 sections. So the directions on this thing says apply on damp, detangled hair, divide the hair in sections, rake a generous amount through each section, then scrunch to help curls spring back. After dry or diffuse, then scrunch again to break the cast. And it does give you some hair tips to do. It says apply a leave-in conditioner before the color to keep curls hydrated. Protect clothes with a towel during application for a more intense pop. Add a little bit more once the colored hair dries. So that's what we're gonna do. I also have a towel right here because I'm not trying to get my white area dirty, because I'm just not trying to do that. So I just have these, I have it half up, half down, and then in my down part I have it sectioned into 2. So I'm just gonna jump straight in because I'm really excited to see. So I shook it. Ooh, okay, ready? I honestly don't know how much of this I should put in my hair, but the color just looks really metallic-y. It looks like it has shimmers in it, but I believe it doesn't have shimmers in it. Oh, it smells so good. So in this we have blueberry, borage, periwinkle, and juniper, and that's how they achieve the color. But it's really runny, so just be very careful when you're applying it, and just make sure you do have a towel. So I'm just gonna rub my hands together. I needed to do that for a thumbnail. Okay, let's just add it. So it says just rake it through the hair. So that's what we're going to do. Really can't see what I'm doing, but I'm just gonna like add a whole bunch because I want it to be really blue. I feel like this container is super small. When I bought it, I didn't expect this container to be this tiny, and I do use a lot of product in my hair, so I feel like I might need to go buy another one. Like, I feel like I'll get probably 2 applications out of this container. But that's just because I'm very heavy-handed with products. And my hair is super dark, so of course I'm going to want to put a lot on it. But looks blue so far. Woo, I'm so excited. Okay, let's do this side real quick. Ooh. Ooh. I wonder if it's gonna affect like how my curls dry or anything like that. This color is so pretty. Now I'm gonna, after this, I know I'm gonna want to do the red. I've been wanting red hair for the longest, so I feel like this will be so perfect. Because then you don't have to damage your hair and you can change it whenever you want. Oh, this smells so yummy. It's so satisfying. So satisfying. Okay, and it's not really getting into my nails. It wipes right off, so that's also a good sign. But I'm just going to go ahead and do the rest of my head, and then once I'm done doing that, I will be right back. Okay, so this is what it looks like after me adding the product. It came out so cute, and it's not even dried yet, but let me just come a little bit closer so you can see. I think it's just gonna give me like a hint of blue, which will be really, really pretty. I did wash my hands, and like I said earlier, it completely came off of my hands. There's no like dye or anything. But I'm about to diffuse my hair, and then we can see how it looks when it comes out dry, and then I'm gonna apply a little bit more once it's dried. Okay, so this is what we look like after our hair has been blow dried, and it's kind of not blow dried but diffused. I can see the blue. It's so cute. I'm about to add a little bit more, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like after it's been diffused. It's halfway. It's not fully diffused. It's not fully dried. Doing that is gonna take way too long, so I'm just gonna let it continue to air dry. But I just wanted to show you guys the first application. So I'm just gonna turn. You can see the blueness. I know once I go in the sun, it's gonna be like super, super tinted blue, but yeah, that's like dry, but whatever. I'm about to add a little bit more so you can see it a little bit better. But it looks so cute. My curl patterns looks exactly the same. It's not crunchy, but my hair is also not as super soft as it was. But I mean, I am adding like gel. Well, it is gel, so I was expecting it to be a little bit crunchy, but yeah. Okay, let's add some more of this blue chunk. And I've had this blue shirt on the entire, I've had this white shirt on the entire time we were doing it. My hair is somewhat dry now, so let's see if it's gonna like rub off on it. No, it did not. So it does not transfer, but it needs to be dry, of course. Let's not like try to do the rub test when your hair is still trying to dry, because of course it's going to transfer. Okay, so let's add one more coat to the hair. Wow, this is so freaking cute. I can't believe this actually works. Wow. Wow, look at my hair. It's blue. It's so cute. I love this. Okay, y'all, this is the final look, and I think she looks really, really cute. I feel like the blue is definitely popping. I'm probably just gonna wear my wash and go for the normal amount of days as I normally do, if this allows me to do that. So I will add that into this review. But so far I am absolutely loving this guy. I love that it's not gonna be harsh on your hair. I love the scent of it. What else do I love about this? So far, those are like my main points that I'm loving. I love that the color is actually visible on my dark hair. The only thing is, I wish that this was bigger. This is only 3 fluid ounces, but I just wish it was a tad bit bigger so I could have a little bit more product. I'm not exactly sure how much I paid for this, but I will link it down below for you guys. But yeah, I'm for sure going to try the different colors because I just think it looks so cool. It's a fun way to switch up your hairstyle. You can definitely play around with this with like if you have kids, you can play around with your kids if they want to do some color and you're scared. You know, even if you want to do some color on yourself, girl, you can do this as well. It's super easy, super simple. My hair looks cute. I can't wait to go out in the sunlight and take a bomb AF pic. But yeah, I like this guy. Like I said, I'm going to do an updated little results review on how my wash and go within a couple of days. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I probably will add that update somewhere if I actually do it, but if I don't, then thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you next time. Bye. I just want to do a quick update on my hair. It's super crunchy and crinkly, but the color is still pretty. But yeah, it's just super, it feels really, really dry. Yeah, I don't know. I don't like that. It's really, really crunchy.